So one of the features we wanted to add to Tributary docs was the ability to have an MCP server. If you don't know what Tributary is, it's an alternative to DBT docs. And you can see we can search for a model. And I'm just going to quickly show here some lineage. And if I click on one of these columns, it shows me how that column is derived. I can also see the SQL, etc. But what if I want to use an MCP server? So here I have data codes and I have the MCP server for Tributary pre-configured, and I have two questions. So the first thing I want to know is if I have any data with geographic information. So let's see what it can find. So you can see it's using the ask endpoint, and it regenerated my question. Try to get more details. And there's the answer. So it knows I have country polygons, I have country codes, and I have L3 models. I believe these are L3 models or that use that data. And this all kind of makes sense. So this is how it would work. You can see country codes, country identifiers, US states, polygons, point-based latitude and longitude. So all of that makes pretty good sense. Now let's try something more complicated. So imagine I have a business user that wants to understand how a column is derived, and I just need a simple summary to give them so I can ask it that question. So let's create a new entry here. And there's the question. So I want to know, how is the recovered column in that specific DBT model calculated? And I want a short summary that I can share with a non-technical user. So now let's see what we get. So here it's asking to explain the SQL for a specific model. And there you go. It's telling you for each place and each day, the total number of people reported as having recovered from COVID-19, etc. So this is how Tributary can be used with an MCP server to answer questions by developers and business users.